So I'm not gonna let it like sit for like a certain time. I'm just gonna apply it and scrub it like this and rub it and wash it off. Hello guys, it's your girl again, Sinetemba Zondi. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna title this video and call it a nighttime routine. Actually, let me be honest with you, I don't have specific days or weeks to take care of my skin. When I feel like doing it, I just do it. So into this video, you know me, I like experimenting everything. So I'm gonna use this charcoal mask as usual. This is the only mask that I'm using on my face. Other than this are DIYs, because like my face, my skin loves DIYs, and also my hair loves DIYs. So I'm just experimenting. I'm cleaning my face, I'm cleansing my face using this mask, and also doing this DIY peel off. Hey guys, I'm doing a spring cleaning on my face, I'm telling you. And I'm gonna use this three products to do this DIY peel off mask. So let's do it. Firstly, before applying this charcoal mask, the first thing that you need to do is to wet your face. As you can see, my face is wet, so I'm applying this mask. So I'm not gonna let it like sit for like a certain time. I'm just gonna apply it and scrub it like this and rub it and wash it off, because I'm still gonna use the peel off DIY mask. Yes, I do have a video where I do this DIY mask for the first time. I was just experimenting it, so I feel like it didn't came up, that video didn't came up the way I was expected it to came out. So I'm repeating that mask, peel off mask again. See? So now I'm done applying this mask. I'm gonna go and wash my face with warm water. I'm done. I'm not gonna let it like sit for certain minutes. See? Okay, let me go and wash my face off and carry on doing this and do this DIY facial mask. Oh guys, before I go, let me show you the products that I'm going to use for this DIY peel off mask. So it's your raw honey. You're gonna need your raw honey. This is my raw honey, cinnamon flavor, and then you're gonna need your gelatin, and you're gonna need your any type of your oil, any like the oil of your choice. This is my sweet almond oil. I bought this oil at Discount at a very affordable price. I don't remember the price, but it was affordable. Yeah, let me go and rinse my face off and then carry on with our DIY. Yo guys, this mask is so painful, you know, but it works wonders on your skin. So before it dries out, let me go and wash it off. So yeah guys, I'm back. I've washed off my face. So yeah guys, I think this is the consistency that we want for this peel off mask. So let me put guys, I'm using a spoon guys, as you can see. This peel off mask guys, it dries out so quickly, so I must like I must be fast. Oh my god. Woo! God. So guys, don't let me get in your eyebrows because I know what you will see them off. So guys, if you notice that you pasted your eyebrows, you should take your wiper and then wipe this mask off your eyebrows because you're gonna tear them off. See, you see, I've noticed that I've pasted my eyebrows with this mask, so now I need to take my wiper and wipe it off because I don't want to tear off my eyebrows, you know. And also these parts, guys, so in your hairline, while it's still wet, wipe it off. I think it's just fine now. So yeah guys, this is how I look. This is I think this is the consistency that it should look. So guys, the things that you should be careful of, this mask, this peel off mask, it's quickly dries out, so you must be quick when you're applying this mask on your face. And then if you see that you apply your mask on your eyebrows and also on your hairline, you should quickly wipe it off with your wipes or with a wet wipes, you know, or whatever. Out, it's going to take approximately 30 minutes to 45 minutes for it to dry out, and then we're gonna peel it off, and then we're gonna like moisturize our face. So this is my second time doing this mask. The first time it worked, like it's cleaned your face so beautifully. So it's my second time doing this mask, so I think like I did it the way it should be. This is how it should be, so that it's gonna be like easy, so good, so that it's gonna be easy to tear it off. It has to be like thick like this. So yeah guys, let's wait for it. Now it's just to dry it out. Let's have a check it. Okay, let's check it. I did paste my eyebrows, I didn't paste my eyebrows. Hey guys, I'm back. Now my mask is dry and it's time to peel it off. So yeah guys, okay, let me start at the edges. Oh my god, this is so painful. Like wet. You guys, kind of fun. It's a pain. Oh, what a relief. What a relief. So yeah, guys, I'm done. So yeah, guys, this is how your mask it should look when you take it off your face. So yeah, guys, I'm done. As you can see, my skin after I've removed this peel off mask, it's so smooth, fine, and yeah, guys, my skin is so soft. Guys, when you are done removing all the excess mask, you don't have to wash your face all over again because you've already washed it, so or cleanse it. So you moisturize your face. Yeah, guys, that was for today's video. Now my skin is clean, free from the dirt that will cause my face to break out the next day or the next morning. So yeah, guys, this mask works perfect, works wonders on cleaning your pores. It leaves your skin feels so smooth and soft and smooth, and it cleans your pores. And yeah, guys, this is my final look, the glow gangs. Yeah, so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for the subscribes that I have so far. So yeah, guys, see you next time. Bye.